Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can use Odoo ERP. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, open your browser and search for odoo.com. I will leave this link in the description down below. Then click on Start Now. Now choose your app. So let's just choose Websites, CRM, Sales, and Subscription. Then click on Continue. Now fill these forms. These are just some basic information like your name, your company name, your email, and your phone number. Then click on Starts Now. Then click on Let's Do It. Now type what you want. For example, let's choose an online store. Then write your business type. Let's type close. Then it will ask you what's your main objective. Let's choose sell more, then choose your color pattern. Then you can add pages and features. So let's just choose About Us, Shops, then click on Build My Website, then choose a theme. Then, as you can see now, it starts building our website. Now, as you can see, our website is generated. If you want to edit your website, click on this Edit button. Then, as you can see here, you can add image. Choose your image. And also, you can edit any text you want. Then, once you edit your website, all you have to do is click on Save. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.